Do you know which of West Virginia's 35 state parks is known as West Virginia's premier adventure resort? It's Pipestem Resort State Park. Pipestem rests on the borders of Summers and Mercer counties in Pipestem, West Virginia, and is located 7.5 miles north of Athens, West Virginia, and 14.5 miles south of Hinton, West Virginia on State Route 20. Join me on a journey to explore this beautiful resort in the mountains. Bowler Observation Tower is named in memoriam of Steve Paul Bowler, the 6th superintendent of Pipestem Resort State Park. The campground has 82 campsites open year-round, 31 of which are equipped with full hookups. You'll find amenities such as heated bathhouses, coin laundry, campground store, and a playground. There's no better way to see the park's nature and wildlife than from horseback at the riding stables. Pipestem's Nature Center is where you will see exhibits, have a conversation about the history of Pipestem, and discuss the flora and fauna that is unique to the park. And at the park's Recreation Center, you'll find the park's Par 3 golf course, a picnic area, radio-controlled racetrack, mini golf, access to a large outdoor amphitheater, and a disc golf course. The epicenter of Pipestem Resort State Park is park headquarters. This is where the park superintendent, assistant park superintendent, and park ranger work side by side to ensure your experience here is extraordinary, and they strive to exceed your expectations. The entrance to Pipestem's outdoor amphitheater is located across the road from park headquarters and offers live bands, shows, and events on weekends throughout the summer. Only a minute's drive from headquarters, you'll reach Canyon Rim Center. This is Pipestem's Adventure Base Camp. You'll likely hear excited groups preparing to soar through the treetops on Pipestem Adventure's Pipestem Peak Zipline and see the aerial tramway cars on their way down the mountain. The Canyon Rim Center is home to Pipestem Adventures, Reflections Gift Shop, Mountain Artisan Center, Tramway Sweets and Treats, and Pipestem's famous aerial tramway. This is a great opportunity to pick up your Pipestem souvenirs and treat yourself to ice cream with waffle cones made fresh on site. Do you have what it takes to go zipping through the forest at up to 50 miles an hour? A Pipestem Peak zipline tour consists of 9 zips, 1 cable bridge, and 1 belay, with heights of up to 350 feet off the ground. Pipestem Adventures offers mountain bike rentals, guided river floats by inflatable duckies or river tubes, and whitewater rafting trips on the New River. In the mood for a slower paced way down the mountain? Pipestem Resort State Park's aerial tramway is the way to do it. Offering some of the best views on the park, the tramway ride takes about 6 minutes to reach Mountain Creek Lodge nearly 1,100 feet down the gorge. At the lower tram station, the seasonal Mountain Creek Lodge, open May through October, rests in quiet solitude and is accessible only by the aerial tramway. Here you can visit Mountain Creek Outfitters and the Mountain Creek Dining Room. The lodge's 30 rooms offer a relaxing view of the Bluestone River. Spend some time fishing, hiking, and getting back to nature. Or take a trip down the Bluestone River. You can go on a guided trip with Pipestem Adventures or go it alone with your crew. Hungry? Mountain Creek Dining Room is quickly becoming a travel destination restaurant and a state favorite. You'll tell your friends about this one. Back on top of the Canyon Rim, Pipestem Resort State Park has 26 cabins located around the park that are fully equipped for a convenient, enjoyable vacation. And your next adventure is a quick car ride down Pipestem Drive. The Adventure Lake and Splash Park awaits you. Driving past McKeever Lodge and the 18-hole championship golf course is where you'll find Pipestem's Sports Complex. The lighted basketball and tennis courts will fill your day with plenty of exercise and fresh air. Near the end of Pipestem Resort State Park is the pride of Pipestem, their 18-hole championship golf course. The Pro Shop has everything you need to enjoy a day of golfing. The year-round McKeever Lodge has 113 guest rooms and suites, many with scenic views of the gorge. It has designated pet-friendly rooms, Wi-Fi, an indoor heated pool, game room, saunas, and an exercise room. Other McKeever Lodge amenities include a gift shop, cozy reading areas, a conference center, and an observation deck with stunning views of the Bluestone River Gorge. Diners may choose to eat at the full-service Bluestone Dining Room, or at the Black Bear Cafe and Lounge, where you'll enjoy 4 TVs for watching your favorite sports, great pizza and wings, craft beverages, a casual atmosphere, and exceptional service. Majestic scenery saturates the Pipestem landscape with views from colorful mountaintops, charming countryscapes and nostalgic river bottoms. You won't be disappointed with the memories you make on your hike or drive through the park. These breathtaking scenic views explains why West Virginia is almost heaven. With 4 locations to get a good night's rest, 4 amazing places to eat, river activities, an adventure lake, splash park, and Ziplines provide adventures for the whole family. Park guided activities, Pipestem's aerial tramway, over 4,000 acres of land, providing 18.5 miles of wooded trails, sports to keep you active, and peaceful locations to keep you calm. It's no wonder Pipestem is West Virginia's premier adventure resort. Here's what people are saying about the park. Missy says, wow, the improvements just keep getting better. Don't miss it. And Isabella from Richmond, Virginia commented, the lodge is clean, comfortable, and affordable. The views are breathtaking. Compliments Pipestem gets are compliments earned, because over 200 dedicated and passionate employees bring everything together to make this the best adventure vacation resort in the world. Thank you for taking this journey through Pipestem Resort State Park, West Virginia's premier adventure resort.